Dan, it's a new day, new product. What do you got here?
It is a new day, a new product. So this one is the side repeaters, LED sequential for the Transit Custom and the Transporter T7. So these ones are smoked. Pretty straightforward to swap these out. We'll show you how it's done. So a T10 Torx bit and a trim tool is basically all you're going to need. So just underneath the wing mirror here is a little tiny screw with our T10. So
looks pretty simple.
Unscrew that one, trim clip, there's a little, you just get in under there, which pulls that forward, and then you can pop out, there's a clip at each end, which you'll see like so. So these little clips here, there's one at each end, they just pop out, and then you can just pull the rubber and out comes the bulb.
Yeah, right.
So then on here we've got blue and then a yellow and green, and on here we've got a black and a red. So we just remove the bulb, and I would imagine it is going to be blue as positive, so red to the blue, pop that in there, and then
just a simple clicking, is it?
Just a clicking. I think, to be honest with you, it won't actually need the polarity, it will probably be fine. And then just push it up, those two clip in.
Oh, that's simple.
And then a little screw goes back in under here. Tighten that up, there we go. That's indicator. Have a look from this angle.
So it's got a bit of a strobe. Nice, so literally just a matter of minutes.
There you go, real easy. We got stock, they're online, leightonvans.com.au, so come online and look.